In this video, I will show you how to check Google Chrome responses. First of all, open a browser and then search Google Chrome. Go to the first link. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account. Here you will see your form. Click on the form that you want to check response. At the top of form, here is response tab. Click on that. In this form have only two responses. Here you will see individual data of individual field. Like I have name field in the form. Here is two responses to name, two email address and two phone number. If you want to check individual data, click on individual tab here. Here you will see a individual person data. You can navigate through this arrow icon like this. At the top, here is view in Google Sheet. If you want to extract your response data in Google Sheet, click on this. Now your from response data extract in Google Sheet. That's how we can export our Google from response data in a Google Sheet. That's it. Now you know how to check Google from responses. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel for more tech tutorial like this.